Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name oil bath and with this drawing. First volume will be this extrusion with radius 36 and length of 84. The extrusion is 45. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT. This plane with X to the right. A circle with the radius of 36 and 3 lines. This is 84 horizontal. Then we go down and back to the circle. Let me see if this is necessary. Yes, it is. And another one is necessary. What? Because this was with the mark. Let's see. Parallel. Oh, yes, parallel. You see, since this is a constraint and not a dimension, when I apply remove, it doesn't disappear from here. Trim, finish sketch, extrude, 45. Okay. Now we see a large fillet here of 30 and other fillet around here of 10. We select the edge, we apply 30 plus 10. Okay. Next is this cylinder with diameter of 36 at a distance of 53 minus 45. If we start from this point, we can start from the base and we apply 53 without any subtraction. So I select again this plane for a new sketch, F7 to see the center point or projection the center point, diameter not radius of 36, finish sketch, extrude. Automatically is selected that area, that circle, and 53 is the dimension. Another fillet with radius 5 is up, radius 5, and now we can apply a shell. You see there is a dimension here, 2 millimeters thickness of this whole part minus the basic contour. We apply 2 for the thickness to this object. We select this end and this end. Why? Because we don't need to apply shell to these two faces. Okay. Very good. Then, as you can see, there is a basic plate, this one, placed at radius 41. We'll use offset by subtracting 36 from 41. Let's do this. We turn the part, we select this face for a new sketch, and we apply offset of this external contour, and we apply (41 minus 36). 41 minus 36. Finish sketch, extrude. This is what we want to extrude, the other direction, and the thickness is 6. Okay. You see that 6 here. Good. There are two ears, two extensions, 120 on 56. Good. The thickness is the same. And this is placed at 25. We go back here. We create a rectangle, dimension of 25 from this external face side, then this dimension of 56, the other major dimension of 120, the center, the midpoint of this is on the same horizontal with the center point, and we'll select these two areas without applying construction or anything. But firstly, let me apply radius 5 to each corner of the rectangle. Finish sketch, extrude this and this to this face. You see? Okay, other 5 millimeters fillet is here at these 4 corners. Okay, 4 holes we have to place of diameter 10. 34 is this distance, 98 the other one. We select this face, we draw a line with a length of 34. We place its midpoint on the same vertical with this midpoint. 98 is the full dimension, but we use half of it. 98, not 2. 98 divided by 2. 49 is the dimension. Finish sketch, hole, and these 2 points. 10 millimeters is already placed. Okay. And now we apply mirror of the last feature, 2 holes, about this plane. Okay. Now I think we have only one feature to add, this radius 2. This is radius 2, which is by default. Okay, I think that the part is finished. You see, there are no other features to be added. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, select this, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is identical with the previous one. Cancel because we keep the other volume. We go to material, steel carbon, and the general aspect to be dark olive, the lights to be default lights, and no any edge. You see, there is no difference, and this is very good. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.